In this short tutorial, I'll show you on how you can make gears in Tinkercad. So when we first open up Tinkercad, it will show us the basic shapes right here like the box, cylinder, and circle. Now to simply make your gear in Tinkercad, you can just click on the categories for shapes. Now basic shapes will be selected, but we want to head over to the hardware category. If you click on this one, you will be able to see the shapes like snap fit gear. We also have something like the gear itself right here. So if you go ahead and basically align them together, they can work perfectly, as you can see. But if you want to simply select more gears, you can just click on the show more shape, and then we have more available shapes right here. But of course, if you want to categorize them, you then want to click on the gears dash axles. There's also additional shapes right here if you click on the search button and simply type gear. We have additional shapes that we can apply onto our workspace. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.